All right, we're just going to keep working with these complex numbers and just kind of get the hang of how they work. Here we have negative 4i being multiplied by negative 2 plus I. So we're just going to do some distributing, just as you probably suspected. 4i times negative 2 is a positive 8i. 4i times I is a negative 4i squared. All right, so these two are not like terms. This is an I, this is an I squared. And then anytime you have an I squared, remember that is actually equal to negative 1. So here we have negative 1 times a negative 4. So we have 8i, negative 1 times negative 4 is actually a positive 4. But then we're going to switch this around for our proper order of 4 plus 8i. For our answer. So when you are multiplying with i's, that I squared is going to show up a lot. So we'll just remember we don't leave I squared in our answer. We know the value of that's negative 1, so we go ahead and substitute that in. All right, so here we have a complex number multiplied by another complex number. It looks like a binomial times a binomial, so we are going to FOIL this. So we have negative 2 times 3, negative 6. Negative 2 times negative I is a positive 2i. Negative 2i times 3 is negative 6i. And negative 2i times a negative I, well, first the negative times negative is positive, and then 2i times I is 2i squared. All right, so we have I squared, which is negative 1. And 2 times negative 1, this actually is a negative 2 on the end. So we have some like terms that we can combine. Negative 6, negative 2. I always combine those real numbers first as negative 8. And then you have a 2i minus a 6i, which is a negative 4i.